Hi, Kurtz here, and this is Easy Access Math. And today we are going to determine which fraction is the largest fraction. And we're going to use a technique where we cross multiply, going up from the bottom number to the top number, make a cross. And what we're going to do then is multiply the fraction with the highest number next to it. When we do that, is the largest. The fraction with the lowest number next to it is the smallest. So you may be asked to find the largest or the smallest fraction in a series of fractions, and you can use this technique either way. So here I have 5 times 1 is 5. That 5 goes next to this fraction. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 is larger than 5, so I know I could cross out that 1/2. Now what you could do is carry the 4/5 over to the next one, or you could bring it down and it goes to the next round. Think of it like a tournament. We're looking for the largest fraction, and we get a winner every time. That's the number when we cross, going from bottom to top, that has the larger next to it. So I'm bringing down my 4/5. So far that's still in play. Let me compare these two guys, the 4 and 7 and the 9 and 3. I have 3/4 and 7/9. Which is larger? I'm going to make my cross again. And I have 9 times 3 is 27. Remember where we multiply. Bottom to top, 4 times 7 is 28. So just by a little bit, 7/9 is larger. So I could cross out the 3/4. 7/9 was just a little bit larger. And I'll bring down the 7/9. Now, I didn't compare the 11/14 to anything yet, so I'll just bring that down. We're down to 3. Let's choose another one, another pair to compare. I'll compare, since I didn't use that 11/14 yet, I'll compare that to the 7/9. 9 times 11, 14 times 7. 9 times 11 is 99, and we'll put that right up there because I'm going up. And 14 times 7, if you want, you could multiply that out. And 14 times 7, well, that's 98. And again, it was really, really close. And 14 times 7, that's 98 if you work that out. You can check on a calculator. That is really close, but just by a little bit. The 11/14 was larger. So I'm left now coming down to the last round. My 4/5 and my 11/14, because each time I'm comparing two of them. After I compare and I get the larger, the smaller gets crossed out. It's no longer in play. Think of it like a tournament. So now I have my last set of surviving fractions that we didn't eliminate yet. And if you can't tell, I can't tell which is larger and which is smaller. I'm going to do my cross from, remember, bottom to top. And I have 5 times 11 here is 55. And 14 times 4, again, really close. 56. So the 4/5 ended up with the largest number next to it on that last round, it's the largest of all of them. Because along the way when you cancel it, they're going to be smaller. You don't have to worry about the ones you canceled out. 4/5 is the largest of them all.